Welcome to this quick tutorial on setting up automatic dividend reinvestment. So open the app and log into your account. So from your home dashboard, you navigate to portfolio or holdings. So you click on portfolio, you have portfolio on this screen. So you select the specific stock, you fund or asset you want to set up dividend investment for. Because there is no fund here already. There is no stock or any asset here. That's why it's not showing here. So you tap on settings or the more options icon associated to that investment you are talking about. So locate the dividend reinvestment or drip. Either of the two options, dividend reinvestment or drip. So you toggle the switch to enable automatic reinvestment. So review your choice and tap confirm or save to finalize your selection. From now on, any dividends earned from this asset will automatically be used to buy additional shares. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.